Is the truck ready yet?
Almost, just finishing this row.
Palm oil production begins here on mature oil palm plantations. Workers harvest fresh palm oil fruit bunches using long cutting tools. Each palm oil fruit bunch is inspected immediately after cutting. The harvested palm oil fruit bunches are gathered manually. Workers load the palm oil fruit bunches onto transport trucks. The palm oil fruit bunches are transported to the processing facility.
He's clear on the right.
Bring him to Bay 3.
At the mill, the palm oil fruit bunches are prepared for processing. The palm oil fruit bunches are unloaded onto the receiving area. Loose fruits and bunches are guided toward the loading ramp.
Hold it there, watch the side.
The palm oil fruit bunches are fed into sterilizer cages. The loaded cages are moved into the sterilization chamber. The chamber is sealed to contain pressure and heat. High-pressure steam is introduced into the chamber. The palm oil fruit bunches are sterilized under controlled conditions. Pressure is released after sterilization is complete. The chamber is opened, releasing hot vapor. Sterilized palm oil fruit bunches are removed from the chamber. The cage is tilted to discharge the softened bunches. The palm oil fruit bunches are fed into a rotating thresher. Palm oil fruits are separated from the bunch stalks. Loose palm oil fruits move along the conveyor system. The palm oil fruits are transferred into the digester. Workers inspect the palm oil fruits before processing. The digester breaks down the palm oil fruits mechanically. Steam heat softens the palm oil mash. The mash is guided into the screw press. The screw press applies high pressure to the mash. Crude palm oil is extracted from the compressed material. Fiber and nut solids are separated from the oil. Crude palm oil flows into the settling tank. Oil, water, and sludge separate into layers. Wastewater is drained from the lower section. Cleaner palm oil is transferred out. The oil passes through a filtration system. Filtered palm oil is held in heated storage tanks. The oil is circulated to maintain consistency. Containers are filled with palm oil. Each container is securely sealed. Labels are applied and checked. Filled containers are stacked onto pallets.
Okay, next row.
Pallets are moved using forklifts. The palm oil is loaded for distribution. Palm oil reaches the end user for cooking and food production.